Hey warriors, wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to start using the OpenAI API together with the ChatGPT 4 and the image model dall-e 3 and everything without the ChatGPT Plus subscription. I created the Orcish AI Next.js Framework. You can find it here on my GitHub page. Of course, I'm going to put the repository link down in the comments. And everything you need to do is to clone this project on your machine. So I'm inside my projects folder, and here we're going to create a new folder and call it Orcish AI Framework. Then we are going to go inside, and there we're going to do git clone of the link that we just copied from my GitHub repository. And then it's going to clone inside our new folder, and there we're going to do pnpm install. I'm using pnpm by default in all of my projects. You can check if you're interested on the video above why. And when it's finished, we are just going to do pnpm dev, and that's going to run our project on our local host with a port 3000. Let's see how it looks. And this is how it looks. We have completion and image. So currently, if you try it out, it's not going to work. Give me an Orcish name. If we press, we are going to get an error that we don't have OpenAI API key. So first we need to get that one from the OpenAI API website. You need to go to this URL, platformopenai.com. You need to create, of course, your account, and here you're going to create your new secret key that you are going to use. And when you get your secret key, you are going to take that one and put it here inside the AI framework. Now we are inside the Orcish AI framework, and what we need to do is to go to environment example file, and here you can see we have OpenAI API key. So we are going to duplicate this file inside our root directory, and we are going to call it .env, but without the example part. And there we are going to copy our OpenAI API key from the screen I showed you previously. I'm not going to show you my API key, but I'm going to copy it now here and close this file. I just copied my OpenAI API key, and now let's get back to the project. Here we see everything is stuck still from the previous try. Let's refresh the screen, and I'm going to say the same thing, give me an Orcish name, and we have our Orcish name. When we go to our code base here and go to our file gpt.ts, we see that that completion function is actually using GPT-4. Now you can test it out on bunch of ways. I saw that people are even copying the whole book Alice in Wonderland and then asking GPT to return answers from the book. So I'll leave it up to you to test GPT-4 what it can do. Let's go to see the dall-e 3 how it looks. So what I usually do here is I ask GPT-4 to create me a good prompt for the AI image model to create an orcish village with good scenery. Let's just say something like that. And now when GPT-4 returns that to us, it will be much better than I would have said it. So here we have our prompt, then we go to image, we put that prompt, and then we can see what we are going to get. And usually, I mean, you can also just put give me an orc image and it's going to return it to you. But like this, I saw that you have much better level of details than if you only put like one sentence inside the image model. So this is what we've got. It kind of looks like Asterix and Obelix. It basically looks like an orcish village from the Warcraft series. It's similar art like they created from Blizzard Studios. Let me show you now quickly different options that you can use in the AI framework. So AI framework here is basically using the Orcish OpenAI connector, which is the npm package that I created. So here it's much easier to get, you just get like method like this for getting the dall-e 3 image and method like this for getting the ChatGPT completion. So what we can do is we can add here new options and we can put resolution like this, and we have it already like this pre-filled, so we can use this one. This one is great for creating logos, for example. Also you have other, like you can change the model. Here we have dall-e 2, you don't need to use dall-e 3. Dall-e 3 is basically the default one. So when we have like this, now we can create some logos. So we can put something like create me a logo for my Orcish AI framework. It should be some kind of orc slash cyborg. Let's try like that. Basically, I created this logo for the Orcish AI framework just like this, directly from the OpenAI API. Oh, I placed it in the completion. I'm sorry. Let's go one more time, but with the image model. And you can create whatever you want, and there are no boundaries for anything. And I'm planning even on creating some kind of game. Oh, this one looks nice. It's really similar to this one, even like similar colors, but this one looks really nice. I'm going to save this one for further usage. Warriors, go to my GitHub page, clone the Orcish AI Next.js framework, and also if you don't want to use it in Next.js, you can always check the Orcish OpenAI connector. That's the npm package I talked to you about, so you can try that one. Also put some star if you use it, please, and also follow me on GitHub, subscribe on YouTube, and recently I created the Discord channel, so you're welcome to join if you want to talk about something, to share your projects, maybe some code reviews, or just to chit chat. Come there, I'm always online. Warriors, if you'd like to contribute to these projects, just go in there, fork the repository, push some pull requests. I'm going to check it and probably merge it if it's something good. I just finished the Google sign-in authorization with Next.auth, and the idea is that users should be able to do the completions and the image model to use them only if he is currently logged in. Next thing is the Stripe implementation, and after that the token system. So the idea is that the user should buy tokens in order to use OpenAI completion and OpenAI image model. So the plan is to have this Orcish AI framework as a foundation to create any SAAS project that you can put online and potentially earn money. For example, when finishing this, I planned to create meal plan AI, where I'm going to create daily meal plans for anyone coming to my platform. Maybe you can also think of something good. Possibilities are really there, and we need to think, what are we going to create? Until next time, farewell, warriors. I hope you like this one. Subscribe.